Concerning the threats that Belgium confronted with, these are actual European threats because we always speak concerning cybercrime in an international context. We had a good example some months or weeks ago, and that was the ransomware attack from WannaCry and the Petya attacks. So Europol also listed different threats, and ransomware is priority number one. So we are also, together with Justice and together with our partners in Belgium, we created a working group around ransomware just to get a good image of the threat towards Belgium and to get together a lot of figures, so with the intention to put them together to create an operational action due to, depending on what kind of figures we can collect. These are not only figures about attacks, but we also try to get the samples of the malware. So victims are always asked to file a complaint to the police with the aim that we can get together all the information needed. When I talk about big companies, I think about banking companies or really telecommunication companies. They learned a lot from the past, from previous attacks, and are very well prepared. So they really have put in place an incident management procedure with a proper team to respond. When it concerns small and medium enterprises, they are not always aware or do not have sufficient budgets to put in place to react to incidents. So therefore it's very important that there is some awareness raising towards these companies and that they collaborate with other companies to compare the threats, to compare the attacks, and to learn from the lessons that other ones have experienced. A report like Verizon is a very rich source of information about different threats. It's very useful for the victims because then they get a better picture of the threat, and it helps to have some kind of situational awareness and to give a context, because an attack from another state or from an individual or from a criminal organization, the approach is different how to react.